Hello friends, welcome back to Mr. Den English World. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today let us learn something very important and very useful: how to introduce yourself in English. Now imagine this. You meet someone for the first time, maybe in school, maybe in college, at work, or even in a new country. The first thing they ask is, can you tell me about yourself? And sometimes we feel nervous, we do not know what to say, or we forget the right words. Do not worry, after watching this video, you will be ready to introduce yourself in just a few easy steps. So let us begin. Step 1. Start with a greeting. You can say, hello, my name is Sarah, or hi, I'm Sarah. Step 2. Talk about where you are from. You can say, I am from Pakistan. I come from Lahore. Step 3. Say something about your work or study. You can say, I am a student. I work as a teacher. I study English at university. Step 4. Share your hobbies or interests. This makes your introduction interesting. You can say, I like reading books. I enjoy playing cricket. I love cooking. Step 5. Add a small detail about your future goals. This makes people remember you. You can say, I want to become a doctor. My dream is to travel the world. I hope to improve my English. Now let us put it all together in one example. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am from Lahore, Pakistan. I am a student of English. I love reading books and watching movies. In the future, I want to become a teacher. That is it, easy, short and clear. So friends, now you know how to introduce yourself in English in 5 simple steps. Next time someone asks, can you tell me about yourself, you will answer with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to The Thinking Pen. And tell me in the comments, how would you introduce yourself? Write your short introduction, and I will read it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.